ETH cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph in a kind of large manner. ETH certainly faces opposition at $1,364.37 incredibly. 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum truly is floating at $4,434,963,507, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. The EMA in a real sense is right now at $1,421.10, or so they basically thought. The 9th of June 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now or for the following week and especially attempt to answer these habitually sort of clarified pressing issues. What truly is exceptionally transient cost expectation for Ethereum, in every practical sense, is ETH a truly wise interest in a significant manner? Ethereum support and opposition levels and so on, which in every practical sense is very critical. In any case, prior to plunging certainly profound into the ETH specialized examination, truly let us especially discuss the very current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the last 24 hours. There especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole cryptographic money market to $1,105,138,322,616 truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The kind of all-out exchanging volume essentially remains at $24,984,188,135 or so they truly thought. Bitcoin shares 46.58% of the entry market while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33% in a fundamentally enormous manner, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,538.87 level after a decay of 0.6%, or so they generally thought. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a value reduction of 0.64% coming to $1,845.32 during the past 24 hours in an extremely significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $262.42, following a value change of 1.23% within a similar time period, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. XRP the in every practical sense, local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is up by 1.9 and presently exchanging at 53 cents, showing how the EMA in every way that really matters is right now at $1,421.10, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which generally is very huge. These occasions generally show that the market essentially is going in a really descending heading for commonly present moment, or so they generally thought. As of now, a truly broad by and large regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which especially is very huge. Ethereum backing and opposition backing and obstruction really are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense. Recognize certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Kind of additional appearance how yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the ETH specialized examination. For the most part, let us generally discuss the by and large current economic situations, or so they sort of thought. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers explicitly become significantly more especially dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how the EMA truly is at present at $1,421.10 in a by and large huge manner. Similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which merchants sort of become move truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $262.42, following a value change of 1.23% within a similar time period, or so they fundamentally thought. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of Ethereum execution. The cost of Ethereum explicitly is at $1,845.32, down 0.64% in the truly beyond 24 hours and generally has a value change of 2.24% throughout the week, which basically shows that following generally are the help and opposition levels of Ethereum execution. The cost of Ethereum in a real sense is at $1,845.32, down 0.64% in the very beyond 24 hours and generally has a value change of 2.24% over the course of the week in a quite large manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is $4,434,963,507.00 while truly complete market cap came to $221,861,673,504 USD, which essentially is very huge. There essentially are very nearly 120,229,122 in a real sense are available for use out of 120,229,122, which explicitly shows that Ethereum backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to especially distinguish fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, especially further appearance how yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the ETH specialized examination. Let us generally discuss the essentially current economic situations in a very significant manner. Ethereum Value Investigation ETH Cost Examination for the 9th of June 2023 inside an everyday time period basically made sense of beneath. By and large further appearance how ETH generally faces opposition at $1,364.37, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. We utilize pretty relative strength index, moving certainly normal intermingling into similarity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially basic moving pretty normal and outstanding moving in every practical sense. Normal to truly break down the future development of the Ethereum, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $262.42, following a value change of 1.23% within a similar time span, which basically is genuinely huge. The MACD line explicitly is remaining above the especially signal line after a sort of certain hybrid, exhibiting how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value lessening of 0.64% coming to $1,845.32 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the fundamentally day-to-day graph, which sort of shows that help in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers, all things considered, become kind of more genuinely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how the amass certainly is presently at $1,421.10, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. RSI suggesting union stage while exchanging at 42 and generally is attempting to truly break out of the nonpartisanship zone, which essentially shows that right now, a by and large broad especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which fundamentally is very huge. While ETH's Williams %R pointer in every practical sense is at 28.959 for the 14-day time span showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange kind of sign fundamentally is genuinely conceivable at this reach. So while ETH's Williams %R marker all things considered is at 28.959 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition, a exchange commonly signaled truly is truly conceivable at this reach, which basically is genuinely huge. Ends the Ethereum market certainly is given indications of being negative, and merchants explicitly have the by and large potential to drive costs of the cryptographic money much lower in the genuinely next especially couple of days. So the 9th of June 2023. In this video we will walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and